Hey everyone, my name is Eric. I'm a project superintendent here at JMR. I watch the job to make sure that everything gets done properly. I watch the crew to make sure that they're doing everything that they need to do correctly. And if they need any material during the day, I go and get it for them to make sure that they stay on time. In my free time, I love to play golf, ball or disc. I also love anything sports related, so football, basketball, hockey, baseball. So in my free time, I'm mostly watching or playing sports. JMR is all about quality. We want to make sure that we have a quality product and making sure that everything is to perfection, not just by our standard, but by the homeowner's standard. And that's what you're going to see when you work with JMR, is that we really care about the homeowner and we really care about what they want and how to execute for that homeowner. And that's what JMR is really all about. Thank you for choosing JMR, and I'll see you on the next job.